In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing inventory, tracking sales, or simply trying to organize your personal data, duplicates are something you often want to eliminate for clarity and accuracy. Today, I'll guide you through two straightforward methods to achieve this in Google Sheets. First, let's explore how to use the unique function. This method is fantastic when you want to preserve your original data while creating a new distinct list in a different column. Start by selecting a new column where you would like your cleaned-up, duplicate-free list to appear. In the first cell of this column, type an equal sign. Next, simply type the word unique. Now, open a parenthesis, and here's where the magic begins. Click and select the range of cells containing the data you want to clean up. Once you've got that range highlighted, just close the parenthesis and press Enter. Instantly, you'll see the unique function does its job, generating a new list for you right there in your selected column, free of duplications. This method offers a great way to compare the original with the unique set side by side, maintaining an easy reference. If your goal is to change the list itself directly and remove duplicates from your existing data, Google Sheets also offers a built-in tool to do just that. To begin, you need to highlight or select the data range containing the duplicates you'd like removed. Once selected, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find the Data option. Click on Data, and from the drop-down menu that appears, look for Data Cleanup. When you hover over that, you'll see the Remove Duplicates option. It's all right if you feel a little hesitant the first time, but rest assured, this feature is specifically designed to simplify your spreadsheet management. Click on Remove Duplicates, and Google Sheets will ask you to confirm which columns you'd like to check. If you have several columns, it's important to decide whether you want to remove duplicates from just one specific column or across multiple ones. Finally, once you've confirmed your selection, click on Remove Duplicates. Here you have successfully cleaned up your Google Sheets data, leaving behind only what you need. This straightforward action instantly helps in minimizing errors and ensures that your datasets provide clear and concise information. Google Sheets makes organizing and cleaning data accessible to everyone, and with these two methods, you now have the tools to manage your sheets effectively. I trust that these steps will help make your data handling more efficient and keep it neat and orderly. So give them a try and watch how much smoother your workflow becomes.